Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan with your Pendulum Power Minute on how to release resistance. Start spinning your pendulum to the left or counterclockwise and start talking about why you're releasing the resistance. I now let go of my absolute stubborn resistance because I don't want to do this particular thing, like exercise, clean the house, whatever it happens to be, because it takes too long. It hurts physically or emotionally or mentally. It's no fun. It's boring as can be. I let all this go now. I also release this fear I'm going to fail at doing it. That it's not something that I want to do and I shouldn't have to do it. I release all my anger and resistance now, bitterness, rage, disgust, and fear. I'm just going to have to keep doing this. If I do it once, my boss is going to want me to do it again, and I hate doing this kind of work. I clear all this out now. And I spin in acceptance of doing this and just focus now on the future when this task is done. Geez, I'm going to be so happy. So be it. Peace out. Namaste.